Now let's see a long division example. 372 is the dividend. Let's divide it by 3. In long division we have to go digit by digit. Start with the highest digit. As you do in multiplication and addition, do not start with the lowest digit or do not start with the ones place. Start with the highest digit. Here 3 is in the highest digit. So as you all know, 3 ones are 3. Now subtract it. You get a 0. The new thing which you learn in long division is you have to bring down the next digit. So 7. How many 3's make 7? 3 2's or 6? So 2's are 6. Subtract it again. You get 1. Now bring down the other digit. 2, which makes 12. So how many 3's make 12? 4. 3 4's are 12. Subtract it. You get a 0. And there are no more digits to bring down. So there ends your long division.